afternoon. Welcome to IJUMP. What's your name?
My name is Ibar Karim.
Right, what are we doing today? What's the plan?
Jumping from the sky.
Yeah, going skydiving, eh? Jumping from a plane?
Yes.
How high are we going, you know? Now we're going to 3,000 meters. Okay, we're going to fall over 200 kilometers per hour. And why are you doing this?
I'm excited.
Yeah, but is there any special reason you're doing this or just for fun?
No, I'm adrenaline rushing. Everything I'm already did, cycling, hiking, diving, is this my last wish list in my life.
Awesome.
After this, I will peace.
All good.
Yeah, all good.
Awesome. Right, we've got some beautiful weather. Anything you want to say to family, friends watching the video before we go?
After this, you should try, guys.
Yeah, guys, you next. You heard them, all right? Anyway, are you ready? Should we go find the plane?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up.
ready.
Let's go skydive.
Cool. You can remove the glass.
Okay. Ooh, yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
How was that?
I wanna try again.
Yeah? Right now?
No, now.
Awesome. What was your favorite part? The exit, the free fall, the parachute ride, maybe?
Sorry?
What was your favorite part of the jump?
When the jump.
Yeah, the exit?
Yeah. When
Amazing feeling, eh?
It's really crazy, man. I can tell in the words. You should try.
Awesome. Yes, guys, you're next here at IJUMP Canaria. Thank you very much for the jump.
Thank
See you
you.
next time.
Well done, man. Thank you.